In this video, you can learn basic knowledge as how to create a database using LibreOffice application. Just go to search and type as base and you will find LibreOffice base. Click on that application, then you will be asked for the database wizard as select database. What is the database that you want to select? You just create a new database, click on next, save and proceed. All the default options are being set, then click on finish. Automatically a window appears in this way as at which location you want to save the database. I am going with my roll number folder and I am giving some name as customer. The database name to be given here, I have given customer and I am clicking on save button. Here we need to save first the database name. If you observe the file name customer.odb, open database. So I can create the database. Database is nothing but a tabular structure. Here I will be creating with design view and I will use the wizard and as well as I will use the create view. So for easy understanding, I am going with use wizard to create table. Soon I click on that, it will be giving certain steps like this: select fields, set types and formats, set primary key and create table. Now I am selecting the sample table like customer. Here we have many available fields. If we need all the fields, we can select one after the other, or else we can select one after the another in this way. If I want city, address, first name, and I will consider department, customer ID, so on. Whatever fields I have selected, the selected fields appear in this way. And I simply go with phone number and click on next. Automatically it will ask for the information. Field name, city. What is the type I should give? It defaultly takes text because city will be entered as text. You can check likewise all the field types. Customer ID, if you are taking, it will display integer. We need to give some number. We go with phone number, we need to change as number, numeric value. You can go with length. These are all the things that we can change. If it is mobile number, then it will consider 10 digits. Then I will click on next. Automatically add a primary key. Primary key is the key that is a unique value to be given for any field. Customer ID is set as primary key. So we are going with next. And I am insert data immediately whenever I am clicking on finish button. Just observe the database is being created with all the fields. Here I can enter directly the values for that. In this way I will be saving the file. Okay, I'm clicking on file, save, and I'm closing the file. You can observe here the table is being created with customers. Just double click on that to view or do any changes related to that data content to be placed. Then click on save. So just observe all the changes that I have done is being updated here. In this way we'll be creating the database using the base database in LibreOffice application. So here we can ask for certain queries, forms we can design, and also reports we can retrieve from the stored data. Okay, thank you one and all.